I have the RGB values for the second color, which are 227, 140. Remember that with me. 227, 140. So when I'm working in Word, I can tell it. In the more, he repeated the section and was told 20, 72, 140. You will find a beautiful color here. I don't know if you will take care of him or not, but I'm going to say okay to this color. So this is the color I have with me. That's the color. It comes with me. This is the color. This is the color. What I can really emphasize it a lot, and write with it, for example, a letter. Like this. I don't know if the screen will look good for you or not, but this is the color I got from Adobe Color. This is the same value of everything. And if you want to check the color, of course, you can work on it. But this is the color I got, which is 227, 140. So when you check Adobe Color, it's 227, 140 is the same color. It's the same color. In Word, yes, in Word. Did you notice the color? Okay. So if you want another color, let's say it's a bit of a strange color. Let's say this color. Look here, I'm choosing colors at my own pace. It's a free form, right? Come here, I want this color. So this color is 161, 168, 161, 168. No, it's not just that. No, the color is different at 161, 168, and then the value of the bold is 0. No, it's not like that. No, the color is different. They don't say it. And then in the blood value is 0. This is the color that leans towards yellow. You'll find it in the yellow area, and it's a bit on the darker side. So you say, okay, and you find the color matches what we got here. So this is a color on the yellow line, and there's no specific blue in it. There's no blue. It's red. And green, red, and green lean towards yellow. If you want a strong yellow, it's half red and half green, with no blue. If I want pure yellow, I can create it in the color mixer. I want red 255, red 255, green 255. It gives me pure yellow, bright yellow, and dark yellow. You can notice that even up here, you'll find it in the middle, whether it's bright or dark. You can notice that this is one color, and this is another color. When you want a pure red, come here, and I'll even write it down for you. R. Approximately 55 red, 255 green. So it gives me pure yellow, bright yellow, and dark yellow. You can notice that even up here, you'll find it in the middle, whether it's bright or dark. So this is the yellow color we have. You can see that this is one color and this is another color. So to understand how to mix colors, when you want a pure red, come here, and I'll even write it down for you. R. Rajab. The three letters choose red. It's named red, so it's red. It evaluates the name and values. Green is green, and this is blue. Red means red is 255, others 0, and that's true. No, adding blue, it's not red. Colors changed. Green is 0 red, 0 blue, 255 green. This part is not green. No, this is not green. When we say red, it means red is 255, others 0, and that's true. Yes, red is red, but someone might say, no, I added blue. You won't notice. No, not red, colors added. Green is 0 red, 0 blue, 255 green. See the value on the monitor. This part is not green, not green. Here, not green, needs 255, 0 blue, so green. After adjustment, above is green. Below was another green spectrum color. Light green above is green. Okay? You've added colors. Green is 0 red, 0 blue, 255 green. This part isn't green. What it's on isn't green. To be green, it needs 255 here, 0 blue. After adjustment, the one above is green, the one below isn't. It's another green spectrum color. The light green above is green. The adjusted color is green. Let's look at colors. No, this isn't green. This is the green. What I'm on is labeled green, but this light green is the green. The dark one isn't green. It's called green, but it's not. The base needs to be green, giving 255 for blue. Now the color is green. The label says green, but the light green is the true green. The dark one isn't green. It's labeled green, but its values aren't. The true green value is 255. For blue, selecting red showed red, but green didn't show green, so I made it green. Ensure B is blue. The green was adjusted. Let's see the colors. This is called green. This is light green. This is green. This isn't green. This is the green. I'm standing on green, but this light green is the green. The dark one isn't green. It's called green, but its values aren't green. This is the true green, value 255. How do I know this is blue? Selecting red showed red. Selecting green wasn't green. I made it green. Ensure B is blue. How do I know it's blue? It looks blue, but what are its values? How to know it's truly blue? Checking shows it's not blue. True blue is 255 blue, 0 green, 0 red. Because its values are not the values of the green color. But this is the true green that I know the value of. It's 255 for green. Now for blue, how do I know this is blue? When I selected red, it came out red. But when I selected green, it didn't come out green at all. Honestly, it wasn't green. So I made it green. Now you need to make sure that this letter B should be blue. So how do I know this is blue? It looks blue and is called blue. But what about its values? How do I know it's really blue? When you go and check the color, you'll find that this color is not blue because the true blue is 255 for blue, 0 for green, and 0 for red. 255 blue, green, safe red. Red is 255, green is 112, and blue is 192. So this is a mix between green and blue, meaning it's leaning towards the purple color. But this is not green, this is not blue. Sorry, this is not blue. I want to make it blue, so its value should be 0 for red, 0 for green, and 255 for blue. 50 red, 0 said. Green is 255 for blue. Adjust it to 255. See how it looks now. It changes a bit. True blue, green, and red. In the palette, it says this is blue. The real blue is below, and this is green below. Okay? And this is red. True red, green, and blue. The one labeled as green before, it's a mix. The one labeled as blue, also a mix. To know the true colors, here they are. These are the true colors above. As for the colors that are in the palette, when you stand here, it tells you this is blue. No, this is not blue. The blue below is the real blue, and this is the green below. Okay? And this is red. This is true red because I checked the value and found it to be red. So this is indeed true red, this is true green, and this is true blue. But the one that was labeled as green before? No, that's not green at all. This is a mix, and what is labeled as blue is not blue at all, it's a mix. So, to know the true colors, here are the true colors in front of you. Don't come and say, I'm going to color. Let's see something together. Someone might come and say, I'm going to color, and write a word. These are the true colors you have above. Then another person might come and write to you, saying RGP, and that it's blue. Take care, Then another person comes and says, we want to color, Dr. Abdul Rahman. Come here to the red door. So you don't just open it like that and open here, and you say, no, this is dark. This is not red. And how do I know for sure that it will be red? How do I know for sure? So how can I be sure? How can I be sure? This decision. And here is the text, 55. Indeed, it's in front of me. Okay? This one, what I can take for you. With Alt and print screen, I hope it works. But I'm not sure if it can be sent to you on WhatsApp or not.